It dries white, so we just want to make sure we clean everything off of the wig. Next, we're going to move on to application, and I am going to go in with 2 black stocking caps. If I'm not feeling lazy, I braid my hair down, but if I'm feeling lazy, I just throw it in a ponytail to the back. And as you can see, I'm feeling lazy because that's what I did here. So I'm going to go in with those 2 stocking caps and just apply that over my ponytail. And then I'm going to go in with an alcohol pad, and I'm going to use that to wipe my hairline and just clean off any dirt, any oils that are around my hairline. I said working in sections helps me be more precise, but you don't have to rush. If something doesn't feel right, you could kind of like adjust your wig and go back and do it all over again. It's not permanent, so just take your time. Once my wig is glued down the way that I want it to be for now, I'm going to go ahead and just comb that hair back and clip it back so that I can, just make any minor adjustments I need to before applying my elastic band. And that looks like going back in with the spray and just spraying any of the like little areas that didn't get glued down correctly, needed a little bit more spray. Some of the areas around my hairline that I need to put a little bit more TLC because those like to lift quicker than others. So I'm just doing all of that because once I put my elastic band on, it's final. Like my wig is not moving after I do that. So I just want to make sure anything I need to do now, I do it before the elastic band comes on. And in order to get your lace to lay for the gods, you need an elastic band. This elastic band is from Walmart, and I got it from their sewing section, but that is a huge key to getting your lace to lay beautifully. So now we're going to move on to step 3, and that is the styling portion. And I like to do this while my hair is tied under the elastic band. And I'm going to go in with the olive oil heat protecting serum, as well as the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine serum, in order to prep my hair for the heat that I'm going to put on it. And I'm just going to separate it into 2 sections. For styling, I'm just going to go ahead and straighten my hair. It's not much to it, but to do it. So there's not really much that I have to say about it, but I just go in with my flat iron and I use my rat tail comb to chase it, just so that it can get super, super sleek and super straight. And I just do that throughout my whole head. So I'm gonna go ahead and fall back and just let y'all watch me style my hair. Now, I'm going to go in with a little bit of Spritz, and I do this because I feel like the Spritz does something to the lace that makes it look super, super natural. We're going to go ahead and take off the elastic band and then just use our hot comb to do any finishing touches. A hot comb is essential to get a beautiful install. It's just something about a hot comb that does what a flat iron and a curling iron can't do. So that is pretty much the finished product. The hair looks really healthy. It looks shiny. It looks clean. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative and I hope it was helpful. If you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe down below. If you like this video, be sure to like, comment, share, all of the good stuff. But I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.